Hey guys, I'm the Realtor Evan, back for another one tip for you buyers out there. We'll get this done in under a minute today. And the tip is, don't make any major purchases during the time that you are shopping for a house. So if you got your loan pre-approval and you're shopping for a house, and then you get into escrow and you're waiting till closing, don't make any major purchases during that time. Don't ruin your credit score. Don't increase your debt to income ratio. Don't take out other loans, right? Don't buy a car. These are things that you should not be doing while you're shopping for a house. The reason being, you have the pre-approval. It is going to hurt your chances of actually getting that loan later if you change these things. You will get denied for that loan if it's going to increase your debt to income ratio to the point where you're not going to be able to afford it anymore. So make sure to keep a simple life during this time period and then buy the car after you buy the house. I hope that helps. I hope you get that house, and I hope you get that loan to help you get that house. If you have any questions, hit me up. I'm the Realtor Evan, and I'll see you next time.